Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best mint green balloon garland kit is probably one of the most versatile and eye-catching decorations you can add to any celebration, transforming a simple space into a whimsical wonderland with its soft, refreshing hue that evokes a sense of calm and elegance, making it perfect for baby showers, weddings, birthdays, or even just to brighten up a room. Offering a DIY approach to professional-looking decor that's both fun and rewarding to assemble, ensuring your event stands out with a touch of sophisticated charm and a pop of delightful color. Number 5. PartyWoo Mint Green Balloons 50 PCS. Introducing our 50-piece set of 12-inch mint green balloons. These beautiful pastel balloons are perfect for adding a touch of elegance to any celebration. From birthdays and baby showers to weddings and anniversaries, these versatile balloons are an ideal choice for all your party decoration needs. Crafted from safe and non-toxic latex, these balloons ensure a worry-free experience. They are designed to be a beautiful addition to your engagement parties, bridal showers, and candy-themed celebrations. These high-quality latex balloons can float for 3 to 6 hours when filled with helium. For optimal results, we recommend filling them 1 to 2 hours before your event begins. To ensure they maintain their perfect shape and avoid any bursting, please inflate them to the recommended size. A small number of imperfections are normal due to the automated packing process. What we like. This set offers a classic mint green shade, perfect for a soft and dreamy aesthetic. If you're aiming for a gentle, baby shower-ready vibe or a sweet pastel birthday, this is your go-to. It provides a solid base for any pastel-themed celebration. What people say. The mint green color is beautiful and exactly as pictured. The balloons were easy to inflate and assemble into a garland. The kit included various sizes of balloons, which created a nice dimension. Number 4. PartyWoo Dusty Green Balloons 100 PCS. Create a stunning balloon arch with our 100-piece Dusty Green Balloon Kit. It includes a variety of sizes to perfectly complement your party theme. This pack features 18, 12, 10, and 5-inch balloons. Please note the 5-inch ones are best for decoration, not floating. Crafted from high-quality, thick latex, these balloons maintain their fullness longer. They are perfect for creating beautiful arches, garlands, and centerpieces that last. When filled with air, they can stay inflated for up to 72 hours. They are designed for easy inflation and add joy to any celebration. To ensure safety and longevity, avoid overfilling, direct sunlight, and sharp objects. Inflate them to your desired size for the perfect look. These versatile balloons are ideal for a wide range of occasions, including birthdays, weddings, baby showers, and graduations. Make your next event unforgettable. What we like. This option boasts a rich, earthy tone with a variety of sizes for a dynamic look. If you love a boho, jungle, or dinosaur theme, this is the perfect choice to create a natural and textured backdrop. It's ideal for adding depth to themed parties. What people say. The mint green balloons were a beautiful pastel shade, perfect for a baby shower. The kit included a variety of balloon sizes, which made the garland look full and professional. Assembly was straightforward, and the balloons held air well for the entire event. Number 3. PartyWoo Sage Green Balloon Arch Kit. Introducing our beautiful Sage Green Balloon Kit, perfect for any celebration. These balloons come in a variety of sizes to create stunning decorations. You'll receive balloons in 18, 12, 10, and 5-inch sizes. Please note that the 5-inch balloons may not float when filled with helium. Crafted from thick, durable latex, these balloons stay inflated longer. They are perfect for creating impressive arches, garlands, and centerpieces that last. Inflating them with air is simple and they can stay full for up to 72 hours. They are designed with standard necks for quick and easy setup. To ensure they last, avoid overfilling, direct sunlight, and sharp objects. Proper inflation will help you achieve the perfect look for your event. These versatile balloons are ideal for birthdays, weddings, baby showers, graduations, and many other special events. Make your next party unforgettable. What we like. With a generous quantity and a sophisticated sage green hue, this kit is excellent for creating grand balloon arrangements. If you're planning a wedding, a stylish birthday, or a gender-neutral baby shower, this offers a chic and abundant display. It's perfect for making a statement. What people say. The mint green balloons are a beautiful pastel shade, perfect for a soft and elegant look. The kit includes a variety of balloon sizes, which makes creating a full and dynamic garland much easier. Assembly was straightforward, and the balloons held air well for the entire event. Number 2. PartyWoo Pearl Light Green Balloons Arch Kit. Introducing our stunning pearl light green balloons, perfect for any celebration. This kit offers a variety of sizes to create beautiful balloon arrangements. You'll receive a total of 140 balloons in sizes ranging from 5 to 18 inches. They are ideal for creating impressive arches, garlands, and centerpieces for your event. Crafted from thick, high-quality latex, these balloons are designed to stay inflated longer. They ensure your decorations remain perfect throughout your special occasion. Inflate them with air for up to 72 hours of fullness, or use helium for floating decorations. They are quick to inflate and add a joyful touch to birthdays and weddings. From baby showers and birthdays to weddings and graduations, these balloons are perfect for any theme. Make your next event truly unforgettable with these beautiful decorations. Please avoid overfilling, extreme temperatures, or sharp objects to maintain their shape. Inflate them to your desired size for the best visual impact. What we like. This set features a luminous pearl finish in a light green tone, adding a touch of elegance. If you desire a subtle shimmer and a fresh, spring-like feel for your event, this is an excellent selection. It's particularly suited for elegant baby showers or spring-themed parties. What people say. The mint green balloons are a beautiful pastel shade, perfect for a subtle yet festive decoration. The kit includes a variety of balloon sizes, which makes creating a full and dynamic garland much easier. Assembly was straightforward, and the balloons held their shape well throughout the event. Number 1. PageebO Sage Green Brown Balloon Arch Kit. Elevate your next celebration with our beautiful balloon arch kit. Perfect for baby showers, birthdays, and any special gathering, it brings a touch of nature to your event. This kit features a sophisticated mix of sage green, brown, and coffee balloons in various sizes. The colors are designed to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Crafted from high-quality, non-toxic latex, each balloon is carefully selected for durability and appearance. You can trust that they will look great throughout your event. From St. Patrick's Day to weddings, anniversaries, and birthday parties, this versatile kit is suitable for a wide range of celebrations. Make any event memorable. Creating a breathtaking balloon garland is simple with our easy-to-use kit. It includes all the necessary tools to help you assemble a stunning balloon arch with ease. We are committed to providing an exceptional customer experience. Our dedicated team is here to ensure you have a happy and dreamlike event. What we like. This kit offers a unique combination of sage green and brown tones, perfect for a rustic or woodland theme. If you're hosting a baby shower, birthday, or picnic with a natural, earthy vibe, this set provides a cohesive and charming color palette. It's ideal for creating an organic and inviting atmosphere. What people say. The mint green balloons were a beautiful pastel shade and looked great for a baby shower. The Garland kit included a good variety of balloon sizes, making it easy to create a full and professional-looking display. Assembly was straightforward, and the balloons held their air for several days without deflating. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.